In front of me is DOOGEE X97 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photo to text message on this device. First of all, go into Messages app and click on one of your chats. Then click on this icon with a camera and a photo at the bottom left corner. Following that, you can click on your photos right away over here or tap on Gallery section instead. Then select all of your chosen ones by clicking on them, and when you're ready, click on Add at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!